Pancras station, and this train right behind me was built in Germany, and she entered service in 2015. That's the Eurostar. Today's journey, I'm heading all the way to the Great Central Railway's last hurrah gala. My train is the BR Class 220, forming the 605 to Nottingham, and I'm alighting at Loughborough for the Great Central Railway's last hurrah gala. Great Central Railway is a preserved section of the main line running from Loughborough Central, terminating at Leicester North. All the engines were getting fired up, ready for the gala. The BR Class 37 was firing up, and this locomotive was backing off from Loughborough Shed, heading to the main line section. The star at Snowdrift at Bleed Gill was at the gala, and this is her in action during the gala, as I'm having a ride right behind her later on during the day. This picture I'm about to show you is where the engine got stuck in the snow with the 420 goods from Kirby Stephen. The locomotive itself was built in 1954 and withdrawn from service in 1966. And you can see here today she's running perfectly well on the Great Central Railway's last hurrah gala. Bell Grove station, and the station closed back in 1963, and today it's what's known as Leicester North station. Birdstall and Belgrove station opened up in 1899 by the Great Central Railway. It closed back in 1963, and these are the pictures I found as the site was laying derelict, and today the only remains of the station is the remains of the staircase that you see at the top of the picture. While I was at Corn Station, I'd come across the BR Class 37 with its train, and later on I saw Riverslack Hall heading towards the BR Class 37. It looked like a scene out of the 1960s when the trains were modernised in the late 60s, and it was so funny the way they blew the whistle and the horn at each other. As I was having a ride behind the bus was called Poppy. She was rescued from a scrapyard in South Wales, and she's really an iconic bus to look at. As I had a great day out at the Great Central Railway comes to a close, please like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.